Hey everybody, Southwest Prepper with the Southwest Prepper group. So what are we doing today? We're doing some outdoor cooking with the Southwest Prepper stove, freeze-dried wholesalers. We got the cast iron lodge out, and we got this really cool tripod. But check out this, ground bison. Ground bison, folks. When have you ever seen that? For an emergency food or freeze-dried or even in your prepper pantry? Probably never. But folks, this is a must-have. These items are great gift ideas. Southwest Prepper stove, portable, folds up, real nice and neat. Can burn just about anything you want in that damn thing. Got the tripod here. Got this off of Amazon for 25 bucks. Heavy duty, folks. Heavy duty. And the Lodge cast iron Dutch oven, Walmart, 25 bucks. All really great items, must-have items. Everyday items that you could have in your prepper pantry that'll come in very handy, folks. Whether you're camping, outdoors, RV, the power goes out, must have items. Makes life a lot easier, folks. So I will put all the links in the description below. But again, folks, Southwest Prepper stove, alcohol stove, charcoal, pellets, whatever you want, wood, twigs. You got your Lodge cast iron Dutch oven, and you got your tripod. And of course, you got to have some really good top quality food to put in it. Check it out, freeze-dried wholesalers, folks. 15% off. Everything's going up. So stock up now. Makes awesome gifts. Southwest Prepper with the Southwest Prepper group. Love and light to you all. And check out their spice boxes. 17 different spices and seasonings.